Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen problem after a Windows 11 update, especially if you are using an NVIDIA graphics card. First, try restarting your graphics driver. On your keyboard, press Windows, Control, Shift, and B at the same time. Your screen may flicker or go black for a second. This forces Windows to restart the display driver and can bring your screen back without restarting the system. If that does not work, you should install the latest Windows update that fixes this issue. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Look for the update KB5077181 and install it if it is available. This update is released to fix black screen issues and NVIDIA-related bugs after recent updates. After installing, restart your computer. If the problem started right after a recent update, you may need to uninstall that update. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, then Update History. From there, open Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent update that was installed before the issue started and remove it. Then restart your PC. If the issue still continues, reinstall your NVIDIA graphics drivers. You can do this by going to Device Manager, expanding Display Adapters, right-clicking your NVIDIA GPU, and choosing Uninstall Device. After that, restart your computer and install the latest drivers from the NVIDIA website. These steps solve most black screen issues. Thanks for watching.